Hey Resinators, so my question for you today is, has it snowed this year in the country that you live in so far? So today in Oklahoma, USA, we had our first snow of the year. Honestly, it was our first snow of the winter. It's crazy because last week during Christmas time, it was like 50 or 60 degrees and then it completely switched up on us and now it's barely hitting 32. So you guys have to let me know, how cold is it where you live right now? Also guys, I wanted to show you my latest quick creation using some of my favorite products. Of course, crystal clear resin from Let's Resin. And I decided to make my very own custom glitter combo using 4 different Linktree glitters. So guys, you have to let me know, did I overdo it? I mean, I was feeling extra colorful and I wanted to use a bunch of colors that I don't normally pair together. And these are how the results turned out. So I'm not gonna lie, yes, this container is a bit busy, but I absolutely love glitter, so I am not mad about it. But here is where I need your help. Let me know what 4 colors I should pair together for my next glitter combo. And I will be tagging one of the comments in an upcoming video, so make sure that you stay tuned. Alrighty, besties, as usual, stay kind, stay amazing, stay warm, and keep on resonating. Peace. Hey besties, so today I wanted to show you this absolutely gorgeous glitter mix that I received from Resin. It's called Purple Fairy and I am literally obsessed. The name is so fitting, it's so sparkly, it's so gorgeous, and I absolutely love it. So I almost wanted to overdo it and put a bunch of glitter, but since I was using my crystal clear resin, I wanted to make sure that the glitter could really show up and pop. So I decided not to be quite so heavy-handed and I just put about 3 or 4 scoops of glitter. I decided to use my new gorgeous trinket container mode for this glitter because I knew it would be like a match made in heaven. I did go a little heavy-handed on the lid because I wanted it to be extra sparkly, and these are the results, guys. There's something about this mold and this glitter together that is just like power couple. I am obsessed. The mold is so elegant and the glitter is so sparkly, so I cannot complain one bit. So guys, you have to let me know what you think about the final results to this Purple Fairy sparkly container. Also be sure to drop some purple and fairy emojis in the comments to let me know that you made it to the end of the video. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for watching and I will see you next time. Stay kind, stay amazing, and keep on resonating. Peace.